Bangladesh Premier League T20 BPL 2024-2025 point table standing update after 32 matches. Number 1 Rangpur Riders match 9 won 8 match lost 1 match point 16 net run rate plus 1.223. Number 2 Fortune Borishal match 8 won 6 match lost 2 match point 12 net run rate plus 0.993. Number 3 Chittagong Kings match 9 won 5 match lost 4 match point 10 net run rate plus 1.045. Number 4 Khulna Tigers match 9 won 4 match lost 5 match point 8 net run rate minus 0.148. Number 5 Durbar Rajshahi match 10 won 4 match lost 6 match point 8 net run rate minus 1.400. Number 6 Dhaka Capital match 10 won 3 match lost 7 match point 6 net run rate minus 0.156. And number 7 Sylhet Strikers match 9 won 2 match lost 7 match point 4 net run rate minus 1.248. Subscribe to our channel to get any sports news update. Thanks for watching.